have a beautiful garden in front of me and something a bit more special. This is small enough, but not that small to fit in my pocket. This and I have this smartphone. So in this video I would be using my drone to show you some tips and tricks about the the moves about the drone, because in my last review video the moves weren't that quite, there was not a brief description, detailed description about these moves, and I will show you each and every move by hand and by showing you via phone. So let's begin by turning on the GoPro. You can see that there's a switch over here. You turn on the GoPro, lights flashing, go on to internet settings on your smartphone. There you can see your internet settings, and then we will wait for signal. Yellow light flashing, signal not received yet. Signal received, Tello C9932, my Tello number. So it's connecting full Wi-Fi range without the controller, which I don't have, is around 20 to 30 meters, 20, 30, 40 meters. But with the controller, the image range is about 100 to 120 meters. So I don't have the controller, I'm too poor enough to own one. So here's the drone on the floor, on the grass, and I will now open the Tello app, which is available on the App Store and Play Store. And you can see the Tello sensors, and we have a live FPV over here. Battery is full, signal full. Apologies for the horns over there. And now I would begin to take off by pushing this button and slide to take off, just like the original DJI. Slide. Well, let's turn on. Something's wrong. There you go. Everything's right. Here's a DJI Tello in flight. 10 to 11 minutes flight with prop guards, 12 to 13 minutes flight without prop guards. So here we have no prop guards, so 12 to 13 minutes flight. So here we go. You can see. Now I would begin. You see that it is a live FPV view, and to access the moves, you have this switch button over here. This one. You press this, and then you have flight modes. You have different flight modes. First of all, I would like to try is 8D flips, which is my favorite one. I think you can't see 8D flips. Yeah, 8D flips. I click on it. It appears warning, start. Now a screen appears. I swipe towards up, it will flip towards up. So there you go. See that? Let me increase the altitude of my drone a bit. There we go. Here's my drone. Here's the screen. I swipe up and that will. There you go. If I swipe down, it will flip backwards. If I swipe like this, it will flip like that. So 3, 2, 1. See that? Bringing it back. So that's our first flight mode. And to disable the flight mode and to cancel it, you have a cross button. Press this, and your flight mode becomes normal. So now I would bring the drone to the center again. Keep in mind you can only access the. Please keep in mind that you can only access the flight controls for the only first 50% of your battery life. The rest 50% you can't access. So the battery is around 78 right now. That's good. So now our second flight mode is throw and go. So if I press throw and go, you just toss the aircraft and it will low in its place. First I have to show you this mode after landing. I'll land it later. And we have up and away. Go. Now it's shooting up and away towards me. I mean, it's shooting quite nicely. It's recording. Is it? Yeah, it's recording. So yep, it is recording, and live is preview over here, and I'm going to bring it forward. Okay, our next flight mode for today is 360. In this mode, it will record 360 degrees around the, it will record 360 degrees around the drone. So if you can see me over here, it will record 360 degrees over here, and back to the its center align where it started. So once it finishes, yeah, it's finished. Now the next flight mode is circle. In this, the drone, for this flight mode, I have to need more space. I will move the drone a bit further. Can you see? I think no. Now you can see. My background's not good, apologies. Okay, so the next flight mode we have bounce mode. In the bounce mode, the drone will bounce, and while it's bouncing, you can also bring it near you or above you. You can see that it's just like a ping pong ball bouncing from the down and up and down and up, just like that. Now to cancel that, I will press the cross button again. Battery is around 48%. Okay, we fall below 50%. Some flight modes will not be available now. For example, the 8D flip mode, my favorite mode. If I do it 8D, you say flip failed, battery level is lower than 50%. So that's okay. And the next we also have is circle. Lastly, in circle, it is moving in a circle. It can record me in circle. If I read the radius of this, you can see that it's recording any circle in the circle. Still recording. So yeah. So there it stopped, and also the video quality is pretty good. It's 720p, and what else to say? Coming back to GoPro, we have the battery life is around 25% left, and now I would try my best to just fly it around until the battery lowers. There's also a speed mode. You can see it's low, and if you press fast, the drone will go fast. You can see the speed. Sport mode. You can say it's just like the sport mode in DJI drones. Well, just like sport mode, very fast. The top speed in sport mode is around, I guess, 14-15 meters per second, which is not bad. And I would disable the sport mode now. And now I have a low battery warning. Land as soon as possible. Now I will hand land. Come near drone. I will show you how to land in hand. It will land automatically if the battery is too low. There we go. Now the battery is super low. Takeoff has failed. Yup, takeoff has failed. You can see over here. Warning, takeoff failed. And quite good actually. The red light is flashing on the DJI Tello. It's quite warm now. The red light is flashing. And yeah, the battery is dead. Now I would turn the GoPro off by pressing the switch once, until the red light stops flashing. Sorry. I have to disconnect my Wi-Fi first in order to turn off. I'll go to my settings and I have turned the Wi-Fi off. It's not connected to any, and now I'll turn it off. You see the yellow light flashes because it's not connected. It should turn off, why it's not. Let me just align it for you. It's not turning off. I don't know the reason. The short way to turn it off is just remove its battery, which you should only do when the battery is discharged. It's like 90% it's discharged, the battery is warm. It's good. DJI, the Ryze DJI Tello also offers you with some extra propellers. I'm using extra propellers because I was practicing how to, fly this thing. So yeah, that's enough for this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video, and bye bye. See you soon. Still recording? Okay. See you soon. Bye bye.